Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation to PC or laptop. And what you need is USB-C to USB cable. Otherwise, if you have any device that has the USB-C plug, then you might need USB-C to USB-C plug, but in this case I only have normal USB, so I'll be using this. Now connect the plug onto your charging port where you usually can charge your Kindle, and then take the USB plug and stick it in the USB port right here. I'll be doing it like this. And right now we have our Kindle connected to the PC and we can exchange the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.